A very good morning, friends. Welcome to chapter 7. Today is my last day in Bangkok and Thailand. Right now, in front of my favorite mall, Terminal 21 in Sukhumvit area. I'm going to do a walking tour of this entire mall. So, if you're planning to visit Bangkok in the near future and if you love shopping, this is the video for you. Watch my entire video. This is going to give you a good insight about what you can expect when you visit this mall, how you can spend time in this mall, and why this mall. I'm sure to enjoy this, and if you like this video, do not hesitate to press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to subscribe to my channel right away. More videos will come your way on Thailand and other destinations. So keep watching, enjoy. Hi friends, are you ready? I am right now in front of the mall and about to start my walking tour. I love this mall. Just to tell you, when I'm in Bangkok, I prefer to take a room without breakfast. I come to this mall, walk up to the 5th floor at Pier 21. That's the name of the food court. I start the day here with a brunch to keep my costs low. I'm going to give you a good walking tour of this mall. Start from the ground floor, then go to the lower ground floor. I have planned to walk up till the 5th floor, so you get an overall good idea about this mall. So if you're planning to visit Bangkok next time, this mall should be in your itinerary. So keep watching. I'm sure you would enjoy this. Right now I'm walking down the ground floor, and as you can see, there's a nice coffee shop at the corner, and all around you have branded stores, mostly in the ground floor. Now in the center part of the ground floor, as I walk down, you find an exhibition area as well. I'm in the ground floor now. I'm going to explore this floor. This floor is very interesting. I love this floor. Whenever this mall, I spend quite some time out here. The floor's theme is Caribbean and fun. You have basically cafes, bakeries, you have stores selling cosmetics and even bags. In the center part, you have stalls selling loads of Thai food. So be there with me. I'm going to explore this floor. I'm sure to enjoy this.
I don't know if I'm the one you want. Should I go, 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 or should I leave this on? Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too. And just maybe I could take a little risk for you. Make my move. Oh, I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here with you. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming close.
Right now in the middle floor, usually you have mostly branded stores in this floor. The theme of this floor is of Paris. I can recommend the H&M store here. I usually visit this store because I find the collections quite good, and most part of the year they're having offers, so you can check this out.
I'm never this shy. Wanna try to getting close to you. Just give me a sign. Tell me what I should do to you. Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too. And just maybe I could take a little risk for you. Make my move. Oh, I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here with you. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer. I can feel it in a.
Right now on the first floor of the mall, this floor is dedicated for ladies. The theme of this floor is Tokyo. There are a lot of boutique shops out here selling ladies garments and accessories. If you're interested in buying them, you can have a good look at this floor.
Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I lose my mind when you look like that. And get you tell that I want this back. Yeah, I do. I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body on my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I think about is you. You're coming closer. I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do?
Now I just reached the second floor. The theme of this floor is of London, and this floor is for men's fashion. You get streetwear, you get smart casuals in this floor. Let's check out the third floor. This is the floor basically for people who are looking for beauty products, jewelries, and home decor items.
Baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by design. You know I kiss but never tell. Oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the moon. 'Cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. Just play along. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Lil' mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind. See you running back, I'm with you till I DIE. Baby, you could be my dirty Diana. You know I'm the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone, I'll be there long as you need it. So undefeated, you know why?
Kiss but never tell. Oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the
Yeah, so baby,
moon.
here's the deal. Me and you should chill, 'cause the way you make me feel like
Well, right now on the fourth floor, the theme here is San Francisco. Here you have mostly fine dining places, restaurant chains, cafes. This floor is on the little expensive side. So I will just give you a good look of this floor and move on to the fifth floor. I usually start my day on the fifth floor in Pier 21, as I said. The food court is value for money and one of the best food court in Bangkok. If you're a little finicky about trying Thai street food outside, you can come here and try the food here.
She got that lucky 7 Michelin.
I'll give you a detailed tour of this floor. You can have a good look at it. Don't give it a miss if you're in Bangkok. I strongly recommend this place. Well, I've come to almost close of this video. I'm going to end my video with this fifth floor, and I'd like to come back very soon sharing you the next spot of the day on my final day in Bangkok, which will be part 2. So please wait for that video. I'm sure you have enjoyed this video. Please watch the video till the end, and if you have liked this video, don't hesitate to press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to subscribe right away. You're going to get more videos coming your way on Thailand and other destinations. So keep watching. I would like to thank you once again for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.
I'm the kind of girl who can shift the vibe, turn a simple move to a hold your ride. Try to slow me down, baby, that's too late. I am moving through the universe at premium rate. If I say the word, then it's already happening. Feeling so fine, got the whole world happening. No doubt, no fear, you can't hold me down. It's my time now, baby. Watch me take that crown. I'm the kind of girl who can raise the bar, turn a small town street to a superstar. I'm the kind of girl who can break the mold, turn a faded dream into a solid gold. Try to dim my shine, baby, that won't play. I am crashing through your limits like a tidal break.